Hello guys, welcome back to Traveling Ghana. I'm Linda.
And I'm Trevor.
Welcome back. Now, we are in East Airport, which is just under 15 minutes from the Kotoka International Airport. Coming to show you this 3-bedroom and 1 staff quarters property on this lovely access road. Now, this access road is only for 2 properties, one which is sold and one which we're going to show you now. So if you like your privacy, come and have a look.
Let's get into it.
Right, so here we are at this White House. We're sitting on a plot of 30 by 105, right?
That's it, correct?
Feet, so it's a good size plot. So you have your lovely crawling wall plants there, a lovely mature tree.
I like that.
And some beautiful plants there as well, which is quite nice. You have space for parking. I'd say 2 cars can come here as well.
I'll probably push it to 3 if possible.
Okay, yeah, I mean if you go against that side, you can. Lovely, so should we go and take a look inside?
Yes, but before we go guys, just want to let you know that we've actually got over 83.6% of you guys watching right here and you haven't subscribed. Do subscribe and of course do also comment and tell us where you're watching from. It helps the channel to grow and of course for us to bring you more content. On that note, let's get into it.
And guess what? It's free.
Yes.
It's free to subscribe. So let's go in and have a look. Just before we head in, on my left there's a lovely side return. It's actually a big space. You can actually close it off and use it as anything you want. Okay, so we'll come through here. Now look at this beautiful 10-foot door. Look how high that is.
That is huge.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
Right, so here we are. Now, so you're met with this bright hallway. Okay, so it's got the spotlights. It's a white, bright finishing on the tiles and the walls as well. Okay, so we're coming straight through into this open plan kitchen, dining, living area. Look at this. Look how modern it looks. I really, really like this space. So if you come across here, you can see this lovely wooden work surface here. You've got your kitchen sink with a built-in chopping board, which is really nice touch. And they've got like a very nice feel on this wood, and I think they've covered it with something protective. So it's got a protective layer, which is important with the wood. You've got your 5-burner gas hob, extractor fan, and this hidden handles drawers, which are all soft close. Very nice. Now you've got storage over here on my right. For the wine lovers, you have a wine rack and you've got this big, huge American style fridge freezer. Look at that. How much more space do you need there? Perfect for a family. You've also got inbuilt oven and you've got a microwave. So here you've got your ACs included as well. Your spotlights, I think I mentioned that before. You've got some security bars. And I like that it's black. It gives like a nice contrast to the white as well also. And over here, we walk across to the living area. So you can do as you please over here. You've got spotlights, chrome finishing, swatches across here. You've got your nice white floors and white ceilings with your lovely spotlights. Hi, Carl. Say hi to Carl, our work colleague there. Into the hallway again. And on my left, you have the understairs storage, which is a good size. And you also have a downstairs visitors washroom. Very nice. Right, so should we go upstairs? Okay, so we're coming up these wooden steps with the glass balustrades and the silver chrome finish on the handles. We are about 10 minutes away from Cantonments, very close to stores like Palace when you want to get your shopping, and also your home decor like Orca is also about 5-6 minutes away. So very nice.
Yes. Welcome guys, and I'm going to take it from here. Thank you, Lynn. You are a special one. So guys, let's head straight into this room. This is the 3rd bedroom, bedroom number 3. So come on in. Come on in. So when you come into this room, good size. You've already got built-in wardrobes, double wardrobes over here. You've got windows to the left, windows to the right, windows to the above there. Nice, lovely spotlights. You've got a chrome there. And guess what? You have your own ensuite shower room. Now, what I like about this place, not only does it have really good finish and so forth, but you've also got the subway tiles, which over here you've got a little dressing area which you can put your soaps and accessories in there. You've also got AC in each room. Let's head into bedroom number 2, which is right here on the left. Now, before we go into the bedroom number 2, I do actually like this hallway. You've got the balustrades, the silver chrome balustrades, you've got the glass handles, and you've got spotlights over here, which gives it that real nice little walkway in the hallway. Now, enter into this, bedroom number 3, you do actually have a really lovely ensuite shower room. Now, this is a double shower room. Again, you've got the lovely touch of the subway tiles, but this is slightly different with a different color, and I'm sure you get to see it. But I love the colors that the designer and developer have actually used. Again, you have a built-in wardrobe, so guys, you haven't got to stress too much. Just bring your bed inside here and you're ready to rock and roll. Again, you have an AC up here, you've got the plugs and so forth. Loving the doors. These doors are quality wooden doors with the chrome finishes over there. Now let's head into the last but not the least, of course, main super prime bedroom. Now this bedroom is superb. You've got really good size floor to ceiling windows. You have the Juliet balcony over here. It's sliding. You've got your burglar proof on the windows up here as well. And you've got good storage space. Now look at the storage space right here. What you have, look at this. Look at that. Now I know the madame, or the first lady I should say, would love this. And you've also got space at the top there. This is a good sized bedroom. You can put a TV up on here, on the wall here. Again, good finishing and so forth. But not only that, guys, you've also got a master primary ensuite room here. Now this is nice. Not only do you have a double shower with a rainfall shower head, but you've also got a bath with a tap over the bath. You've got this lovely basin here, which is really nice. You've got your basin there, and it's all neutral finishing. On that note, guys, let's show you some little trinkets that you're not gonna miss. Let's head on to the next level. So we've got another outdoor space for you guys. So look, not only do you have the outside space, which we've shown you previously, but you've also got this lovely terrace around here, which is really nice. So if you wanted to just chill here, maybe have a little kids play area, maybe just chill out, have a glass of wine or something along those lines, this is the place you can do it. But guess what? There's even more to it. Lynn,
let's
do you want to show them?
Upstairs. Yes. Okay, so let's go up these metal spiral staircase here. Wow,
Ooh.
You do have to have good knees for this.
You do indeed.
It's a good workout though. So as we go up, see, it gives you another view. So you're on another level. Wow. Great views here of Accra. So here we are on the rooftop. Like
nice.
it? Very nice. Now on the left, you have a water heater, solar powered water heater, and 2 poly tanks as well. So hopefully you won't run out of water. You have a shower room. So not just your WC, you've got shower and WC and sink.
I like that, Lynn. Because
Yeah.
when you're upstairs here, you don't need to go downstairs to use the WC or anything.
Exactly. Now I'm going to show you why. Have a look, another terrace area, but check this out, guys. Have a look at this space.
Whoa, this is
You can
good
do
space.
so much with this space. I mean, what
Wow.
would you do?
I would either make this into a gym area, into a little study outside, into a yoga place, Pilates.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea, actually.
You can do so much up here. You can make it into a playroom. You can
Yeah.
make it into a little cinema room, games room. There's so
Very
much
nice.
to do with it.
So it's already got your sockets,
All your sockets,
your AC,
ACs.
lighting. So you can literally use your imagination and create a space that you would love there.
Oh, I like this views.
Wow.
Oh my goodness me, look at that.
And you know what? It's very peaceful here, isn't it?
Really peaceful. You do get a breeze, a nice breeze coming up over here, and it's quiet. You wouldn't believe that you're in the heart of Accra, to be honest with you.
We're about, like I said, just under 15 minutes from the airport. You've got Accra Mall, which is about 10 minutes away.
Yeah.
About 10 minutes from cantonments. So it's a very good location.
Very
You've got
good
your top
location.
schools, clinics around as well. So
That's it.
it's good.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
On that note, guys,
Yeah.
I think we've come pretty much to the end of this,
Yes,
would you
we
say?
have. I would say so. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We know a lot of you watch from Ghana. Thank you so much. Indonesia, surprisingly.
Wow.
Hi, and shout
Indonesia.
out. Now, where are the rest of you watching from? Give us a note down below in the comment section, okay?
That's it.
Until next time, take care of yourselves.
And each other.
Bye.